Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, November 29th, 2010. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a max potential of -4 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning. The market had traded off quite a bit since the holiday break, and we were down with a large gap down this morning. We opened up and we immediately started trading to the upside, actually filled our half gap, pulled down, and actually got our first contract off, ended up getting stopped out. No follow through the upside. First trade was a T1 -2, and then there was a subsequent trade to the downside that provided T1 and T2 for 9 ticks, and that trade went down beneath our Globex lows, and actually there was an opportunity to hold on to that for quite a few more ticks as we put in our low right at the 10 o'clock reversal time frame. Came off of that reversal, came back up through our moving average, actually had a signal long for targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks, and then we started to wedge in. I don't as we were following this in our room and warning traders, we were watching the bank index, the YM, and the ES, and they all were showing the same pattern, and that was a series of higher lows and lower highs. So we started to get into a pattern of chop here. If you were taking the signals, the first one was a T1 -2 to the downside, got stopped out, and then that sent a signal long, which was a T0 -14, and then followed up by another T0 -14. And that's as this market was making the series of lower highs and higher lows. It was wedging in. In the room, we weren't taking these trades here that ended up being a -28 ticks worth of stop outs. We were kind of waiting for the market to show its hand, and ultimately there was a slight breakdown to the downside that happened during the lunchtime dead zone, and ultimately it reversed off of that. It was kind of what you would call a fake out, and then it came back up through its moving average, kind of traded sideways, gave another signal short right out of the lunchtime dead zone that hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks, and then it popped to the upside, and there was an extension entry. This was kind of an ugly extension even. It moved 3 points in just a matter of minutes, and then kind of based sideways, and the normal entry was beneath the gold line. You couldn't take that. There could be an extension there, T2 +7, but then the market rocketed higher. And we had talked about that in our pre-market commentary this morning, how what we anticipated was a initial sell-off as we went down and probed some longer-term levels on the weekly chart. And then we looked for maybe the market turning as there was some window dressing here at the end of the month, and was expecting a pop late Monday into Tuesday, and sure enough we got that pop towards the end of the day, and the market continued to climb higher. So all in all, if you just took all the signals as the trading plan, you would have had a total of 8 opportunities for -4 ES ticks. Had you been in our trading room and we talked about that wedging pattern and so forth, hopefully you were able to do a lot better than that. So all in all, just one of those days where we paid our vendors. 8 trades for -4 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com, or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.